Lambor Malngiang, MDC and former MLA of Nongkrem constituency, has challenged Ardent Miller Basaiawmoit, the president of VPP and the incumbent MLA of Nongkrem, to a one-on-one debate to determine who has been the most effective in bringing development to the constituency. Lambor further emphasized that within a year, he had worked on repairing roads such as the one between Leulong and Ringi Shillong. He emphasized that the people had entrusted Basaiawmoit with the responsibility to bring change and development, and it was his duty to engage with the government.
Tumandang ako abnong hangni. Nga challenge. Nga wan da debate bani kren ni developmental scheme kiba hapo kanong kren ko si munul aibon. Nga khot ni kita binuan debate nga nga ya ki proof jonga kadno ni siyang markman. Ni debate hapo ding jonga but wamali sa kanong kren. Lalu ang mga kamlay ay nginya pani mano bon ra scheme babun hapo kanong kren konsi. Nga ko abnong yakata.
Regarding